from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am showing you guys right here my new Bissell Crosswave. I will also be making a delicious fall dessert recipe at the end, so stay tuned for that. You can't leave the fall out because I'm definitely getting all prepped and ready for that. You can see in this clip here, this Bissell Crosswave has just changed my world when it comes to cleaning my floors. Cleaning floors has always been just back-breaking work to me, and I just never have really enjoyed it. But this product makes it so much easier. There are lots of different models of this. I will leave mine linked down below. There is a cordless version, but it is $200 more than I paid for this one. I paid $200 for this one. The cordless model is $400. I do know there's a model in between that, I believe, that has a larger tank. Other than that, I am very happy with my model that I got. It does an excellent job. My floors are so clean. I personally didn't have crazy expectations for it, so I don't expect it to suck up a ton of cereal or mounds of dirt like they kind of show in some of the review videos. I also do not mind cleaning all of the components at the end. I actually kind of enjoy it. It gives me a nice satisfaction of how dirty my floors were and how clean they are by seeing all the dirt that comes out. Some people had complaints about that online, so you can definitely just, check it out and see what you think, and maybe it's a fit for you. I just wanted to show you guys because I personally was just super, super excited about it. So I'm going to let you guys see just how easy it is just to clean pretty much my whole entire downstairs. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and a like, and definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about the Bissell Crosswave.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you said.
This is also designed to go on rugs, and I flipped the button at the top for this particular kitchen rug here. I did not clean any of my personal rugs just because I like to use my actual Bissell carpet cleaner on them. But this is a super cool way, just if you want to lightly clean your rugs, that you can do that.
You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else.
So I tried to get a good close-up of how dirty the tank was. I definitely need to figure out where my lens is, guys, so bear with me. But I cleaned the just main living space. I did not do bathrooms in this clip. I just wanted to show you guys how quickly I could get through my main floor of my house. Again, I did not do rugs, but it has the capability to run over rugs. I haven't really tried that option out because I really just bought it for my hardwood floors. I hope that you guys are enjoying today's video. If you are, definitely give me a thumbs up because it helps out my channel, and leave me a comment down below.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, they would be together.
While I'm cleaning out the components right here, I wanted to come on and reintroduce myself. If you guys are new, my name is Kristen. This is Cora's Cozy Castle, named after my 5-pound dachshund, Cora. I'm a wife, a homemaker, and a mama to 3 beautiful boys. I love to do cleaning motivation, decluttering, organizing, minimalism, and I love Pottery Barn, and I love decor. So if you guys are interested in any of that, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell before you leave today, and leave me a comment down below introducing yourself. I love to get to make new friends and chat with you guys there. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you found it motivating, and also just got a lot of information about the Bissell Crosswave, because this is not a sponsored video. This is just a personal, I love the product and wanted to share it with you guys. I'm going to make this no-bake pumpkin Cool Whip recipe. I will definitely be linking it down below. It was absolutely delicious. The only thing I did wrong, and it actually didn't come off on camera as bad as I thought, although you can still tell, I did not leave the cream cheese out long enough to get super softened, and I also did not leave the Cool Whip out long enough to get super soft. So, you know, I've learned my lesson, so I will definitely be making this again because it was absolutely delicious. So I just want to make sure that I let you guys know that if you try to make it. It's super easy instructions to follow, so all of that will be linked down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video again, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. I'm going into my fall decorating cleaning series, so I don't want you guys to miss out, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no, 'cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold